10, the forecast. The National Weather Service in the Twin Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Washington County, St. Croix County, southeastern Polk County, in northwestern Wisconsin until 4:45 p.m. At 4 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Scandia to Stillwater to near Woodbury, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Expected hazards include golf ball size hail. Severe weather has been confirmed by train spotters. The following impacts are expected: people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Severe thunderstorms will be near Scandia and Bayport around 4:05 p.m. Somerset and Osceola around 4:10 p.m. Hudson, New Richmond, North Hudson, and Star Prairie around 4:15 p.m. River, Falls, and Roberts around 4:20 p.m. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include Amory, Hammond, Baldwin, Clear Lake, Woodville, Clayton, and Glenwood City. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.